welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you on how to see who viewed your Instagram profile. So, while Instagram doesn't let you see who viewed your profile directly, you can get an idea of who has visited or by checking who viewed your Instagram highlights. Since someone has to visit your profile to view your highlights, it can give you a clue about who's checking out your page. Here's how you can do that. So, first thing you have to do is open Instagram and tap on the profile in the bottom right corner to access your profile. Now, tap on the highlight that you want to check. This will play the stories you've saved in that particular highlight. While the highlight is playing, swipe up from the bottom of the screen and you'll see a list of usernames under viewed by, which includes everyone who has watched that highlight. Now, take note that you can only see the viewers for as long as the highlight story is still fresh in your archive, about 48 hours after the story was originally posted. After that, Instagram doesn't keep track of the viewers. So, if someone appears in your highlight viewers list, they most likely visited your profile and giving you some indirect information about who might be looking at your account. However, there's no direct way to track specific profile views. And there you go. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!